Islam originated in the 7th century in the Arabian Peninsula, brought forth by the teachings of the Prophet Muhammad, who encouraged values of compassion, community, and kindness among all people. As Muhammad spread his message, he focused on promoting social justice and equality, encouraging individuals to treat each other with respect and empathy, laying the foundation for a faith that emphasizes community and charitable acts. The teachings of Islam encourage not only spiritual growth, but also social responsibility, urging believers to assist those in need and foster a sense of brotherhood that transcends cultural and racial boundaries. Through acts of kindness and community service, Muslims around the world strive to embody the core values of their faith, demonstrating that Islam promotes love, compassion, and mutual respect among all humanity. The essence of Islam continues to inspire countless individuals to advocate for peace and understanding, showcasing that the religion not only seeks to guide personal faith, but also encourages cooperation and dialogue between different cultures and beliefs.